fix this problem, first of all, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store app. So when you get to Google Play Store, search for the ADP mobile. So when you search for ADP mobile, then you tap on update. When you tap on update, it's going to get you the latest version of this app. So after getting the latest version or after updating this app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, then after that tap on OK to reboot your device. After doing this, your problem is going to get fixed. So when you think this is still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone's settings. So when you get to your phone settings, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification, then now tap on see your apps. Then after that, what you have to do is to just scroll and search for the name of the app, then you tap on it when you find it. After that, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. After that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data and Wi-Fi is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So when you tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. When this is still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings, to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on network and internet, tap on mobile network, select the network type. Then after that, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced, scroll again and tap on preferred network type, then select 4G/3G/2G auto. Then after selecting this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, then tap on restart when it appears, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting the device. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.